Hi, I'm Sunny Mehta. I have been interested in magic since my early teens. Today, I would like to share one of the theories commonly called as magic square. I am going to uncover one of the greatest stories of imagination, magic, myth, mystery, and obviously mathematics. Let's begin with the origin of this story. It's a story that goes back perhaps 4000 years and it all begins with a turtle. The third order magic square was first known to Chinese mathematicians. Third order means a 3 by 3 group of squares. The Chinese Emperor Yu devised this pattern which he saw on the back of a giant tortoise. It emerged from the flooded river. It is said that Yu successfully devised a system of flood controls that were crucial in establishing the prosperity using these patterns. Count the dots in each segment of the picture. Try to identify the numbers with me. They are 492, 357, 816. The thing about magic square that makes it unique is the fact that if you add up the numbers on each row or the numbers in each column or the numbers on both the diagonals, you get the same total, which is 15. That is the defining characteristic of a magic square. Depending on various features, there are various classifications of magic squares. But the fact that I want to highlight is that the first ever most perfect magic square was discovered in India. This discovery is minuscule in the ocean of contributions given by Indian mathematicians and scholars. The actual announcement of the discovery of the fourth order magic square is found in the notes made by the prominent British archaeologist Sir Alexander Cunningham, who in 1860 found the mathematical inscription by the entrance of the Parshvanath Jain temple in Khajuraho, which is said to be built in mid-10th century CE. This is one of the oldest magic square discovered and classified as the most perfect magic square and also a pentagonal magic square. It is called as Jaina square and a Jyotisa yantra. Jyotisa means 34. It is considered very auspicious. Having said so, you may have this question: how it is the most perfect magic square? Keep the theories aside and let's explore the depth of this Jyotisa yantra. I have created this table based on the image of the inscription, and the answer to your question is here. This model has been made to show 52 different ways of summation that will bring only one total, and that is 34. I am showing you one of my favorite patterns. Look at this box on the bottom left of your screen. 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 11. The total is obviously 34. Likewise, I wish you give it a try in totaling a few other patterns and comment below what have you tried out. I would like to mention some of the instances showing the beauty of magic square in ancient India. They are Siddhayog by Vrinda, the Kuber column, and Brihad Samhita by Varamihir. It is interesting to know how these magic squares were used for making perfumes. What is the magic in magic square? As you can see, different types of magic squares have been used for different purposes. It is also found commonly painted on the floors of the entrances of houses in southern India, based on the belief that it holds the negative energies. It takes a heap of knowledge to identify such magic squares, as all these uses depends on the numbers chosen, its position, order of magic square, and its construction. How to create these magic squares? Curious? I have shown how to make a 3 by 3, 4 by 4 and a 5 by 5 magic square in my next video. Do watch it guys and give your comments. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.